Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 15th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. And the first one I will do is this one, the 3 stars Sudoku. Is this really a 3 stars? Well, I don't think so. This will be number 9084. And why? Well, this one has 30 printed digits. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 5 digits more. It's indicated with 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, 30 minutes, I don't think it's a 3 stars. It should be a 0 stars. For a 0 stars puzzle, you need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Alright? So, let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in the second row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in this big square, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1 is missing. And the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. Can I do this again? No. How about the 4 in this column, the 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level, the 4 should be there. 4. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left for the 3 is supposed to be there. 3. 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now, need to wait. How about? Need a 2 there. Need a 2 there. Yeah. Need a 7 here. Need a 6 there. 6 and a 2. Well. How about? The 9 in this column. The 9 is set column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then, need a 9 here. 9 here, okay. Let me think. How about the 6 here? Thinking. Need 5. Yeah, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Now I can continue with the 9. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. and all the nines are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. All right. Then let me see. We have a pair. The 5 and the 6 in this row. The 5 and the 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. The 5, the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. All right. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Well, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 and the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 8, 8. 8, 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes and there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So third row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in the column next, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 in the second column, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. No. 2, 6, and the 4. Yeah. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first columm, only place left for the 4 it should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. These are number 2, number 4. Alright. 2, 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 supposed to be there. 1 box left in this column. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 2, 2. Let me think. 8 and a 6. I need an 8 and a 6 here. Well. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Supposed to be there. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. Yeah. 1. 3 missing numbers in the oh wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 1. Here can be 1. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. Here can be a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the 1 in the last row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. From that row, the only place left 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column, second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 5 now. In this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 6 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 to 4 to 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 to 2, 3 to 4 to 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in the last row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 to 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 to 2, 3 to 4 to 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And 6 goes. They're finished in 11 minutes. Well, told you. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So, well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.